Hey guys, what's going on? Rhett here down in Birmingham. Super excited to bring another awesome property to you guys today. This property is for my clients Max and John. This is their second property down here in Birmingham and couldn't be more excited for them. So this property is a 3-bedroom home. They bought it for $57,000 and we only put a couple $1,000s into it. I can't wait to take you inside, show you what's in store, what we did here, and what's happening. So the tenant moving in, paying $1,000 a month rent. They're moving in, I believe, at the beginning of next week. We just passed the Section 8 inspection here, so moving in a couple of days. Guys, come on in and we'll kind of walk through it. So the first thing you notice, you come in here, guys, $57,000. What? First thing you see, we have oven, we have stovetop, all electric, we have granite countertops, brand new sink. We actually put this on, but granite countertops. The kitchen looks incredible. The refrigerator came with the house. It's a really nice refrigerator, so all the appliances are already in here, very clean. That is the kitchen. So what we did do in here was we put all new carpet down. And guys, the carpet is such a nice touch. One thing we do, we go down to the subfloor, we rip up all the floors underneath it, we put really, really good pads down, we put our carpet down on top, we have really, really, really good carpet people. The reason I say that is a lot of times on the channel, people say to me, oh, you don't ever want to do carpet. You don't ever want to do carpet. If you do carpet the right way and you get the right tenants in, you don't have to turn carpet as much as you think you do. You really don't. I promise, I promise. Otherwise, we wouldn't put it in so many of our units. But it looks fantastic. Literally, we put this thing up on the market and gone. Okay? So, walking through the hallway, really nice tile and everything through here. This was already in here. We put a lot of these doors up. We put all new doors up. We put all new carpet in. And we come to the end of the hallway here, of course. We have a really nice layout because as we come over here, all of our bedrooms and our bathroom is all situated in the same place, which I love. Because you come right here, you have bedroom number 1. Everything is nice situated. We put some new outlet switches throughout the house. We did some electrical work in here as well. But everything in here is very quaint. It's got a good layout. It's very crisp. There's plenty of room. It's such a nice house. And guys, $57,000 for a house like this means a couple thousand in work. Max and John are into this thing for under $65,000, and it's going to rent for $1,000 a month. It's just you can't get those numbers anywhere. There's a nice clean bathroom in here as well with a new toilet. And then we have our 2 bedrooms here. 1 bedroom here. Again, all new carpet flooring, everything new in here. New light fixtures and everything new here as well. We have our closets. And then guys, our last bedroom, which is right here. So, really small house. And it's a 3-bedroom. So when you talk about Section 8 and you talk about FMR, people say all the time, well, on TikTok, I heard that you can get full FMR. I heard on Instagram, you can get full FMR. Guys, fair market rent, if the fair market rent for a 3-bedroom home on HUD website is $1,400, you're not getting it. What nobody's telling you is, with Section 8 rentals, there is a utility stipend that the tenants get. If the utility stipend per month is $200, that $200 counts against your FMR. They might get $150 or $100, but whatever it is, it goes against the FMR. So if the FMR for a 3-bedroom here in Birmingham is $1,400, I don't know what it is off the top of my head, whatever that utility stipend is, you are removing from the top. So if that utility stipend is $200 and our FMR is $1,400, you subtract the 2, now you're starting at $1,200. So the maximum amount The maximum you could get for the unit would be $1,200 if the tenant's utility stipend was $200, okay? For a unit like this, what they do is they take this unit, it's very small, it's about probably 900 square feet, might even be a touch less. They take it, they go, okay, let's look in this area and see what other 3-bedroom units that are similar square footage are going for Section 8. In this area, everything is going for between 900 and 975. This is the nicest unit, so it's getting 1,000. If we added some square footage to it, it would go up to 1,100 to 1,200 very easily. But to be into it for only 65,000, a little bit less, we can get a little bit less rent. So it makes sense for us on a return, from a return standpoint, to spend 65 and bring in 1,000. Now, if we were spending 75, we would need another $100, $200 a month in rent. But for $65,000, I mean, guys, you got to be kidding me. So this unit passed Section 8 inspection today, I believe, I believe this morning. So it passed, we're ready to go, the tenant's moving in, and this one has been a real home run. So Max and John, super proud of you guys. This is your second home down here. I'm thrilled, excited to be with you for the next 10, guys. If you want to be like Max and John and you want to do stuff like this as well, send me an email in the link below. We'll get you started. You don't need a ton of money to do this.